Guys, we are here at Howl-O-Scream.
Howl-O-Scream 2025 Seaworld.
2025.
Yeah.
We are gonna be recording all the houses, and I'm gonna let you in on our little game plan. So we're gonna immediately go right to Collector's Curse, because that is the popular one apparently. Because it's new, right? But it's popular at the same time.
So guys, we actually went last year. The videos on Mega Moose's channel, but this year's supposed to be way scarier.
Like 1.5, I think.
Yeah.
So it's 2 times, and then 0.5, and like 5, and then -5. So
So we're going to the
Collector's Curse. And it's kind of like a graveyard. I watched the video, you didn't. So
I know nothing about this, bro.
I know a lot of stuff about this.
I'm a little scared. And the cannibal section's back, and last year.
Yeah, bro. Last year that was so fun,
They
bro.
targeted me.
I know, bro.
I'm glad the clown section's gone.
Well, okay, the clown section was okay. I'm just gonna give it to them. Those actors were great, bro. That was probably the best thing. I know, it was so annoying though. Then I'm so chopped.
The other scare zone that's here from last year is the one, like the red one. I don't know what's called, but they yell at you.
Yeah, I know. It's it's near the entrance of. So like there's like the arena here, right there. Right there. Do you remember the ultimate game mode from last year?
That should have stayed.
Yeah, that should have stayed.
They should have replaced Farm 51 with that one.
Yeah, the ultimate gamble, in my opinion, was my favorite one.
Oh. Wait. Guys, things are getting real now.
Yeah, bro.
Howl-O-Scream 5. 5 years of fear. So is there like 5 houses?
No, it's celebrating the 5th year.
Oh, okay.
So where do we go?
We're here. We're in.
There's we're in.
There's already people, as you can see. We're cooked, bro.
6, 7. Oh. 6, 7.
So far, they're being kind of nice to us. That's definitely gonna change during this video, by the way.
Well, I'm excited to get
Water, bro.
Which house are we back on?
Yeah. Bro, I hate the scare zones, bro, because they can do anything. It's crazy. We're going now. We are officially in the scare zone. Alright guys, forget what I just said. We're actually in Howl-O-Scream now. And where are we going? We're going to Collector's Curse, so we turn right. Nobody really knows this because, well, I don't know. He's the only one who knows this. He's an expert.
Everything closes down.
Yeah, this only Journey to Atlantis closes down. And sometimes Mako.
No, never Mako.
I mean Manta. Anyways, guys, to turn right, we have to go through the yelling people area, like scare zone. They literally go behind you and go, ah!
They moved it.
Oh, they moved it? Yeah. So we're not going through it?
Never mind. Never mind.
Uh-oh. Well, we're cooked. You're going to be leading us during this video, for most of the video. And I'll be voice acting.
Are you ready?
Oh. We're getting targeted. Hello. Hey. Hello. Oh my god. Hi. How are you doing? Oh no, okay. What's up? Oh my god, that last one got me in the moves. We got through it, bro.
I mean, it wasn't that bad.
Wait, they made it less scary than last year.
Thank you. Right here.
They're not allowed to get out this time.
That one wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. The last one got me for no reason.
That last one, they were literally like this.
Yeah, they were so ringing in your ear.
So like, okay, so predictable right there. I still got scared. I went, no!
So anyways, we're turning right, as you know.
Wait, we're so close.
We're about to.
Right there.
Wait, we're already at the first house? This is supposed to be the scariest one, so we're getting it over with. Unlike Birch Gardens, how we got the scariest one at the end. That's Icebreaker.
Wait, like Far 51. It was Far 51 last year. It was like 5 hours long.
Yeah, we couldn't even do it last year. We are going in. Yo, we're just waiting in line. What? Why is he carrying like
look,
shoes?
there's more scary guys. They're coming out of the wardrobe.
Uh-oh.
I think that's where they get like
Guys, something's happening. Oh my god, okay, we're going. We're in the first haunted house.
I think the shortest. Yeah. Okay, I'm actually.
Once again, he's leading. I'm the guy behind the camera talking. Probably gonna hear me go. What? Oh god, okay, I have no idea what the theme of this one is. Explorer's Curse or whatever. I don't want to go. Hey! Oh my god, no. No? I don't know what's happening. Hello. I don't. He's gonna come through here, bro. What's happening? I know you're in there. Don't scare me. I know you're in there. Oh! That one got me. Get me out of here. How long is this? This is scary. Roar! Roar! I'm gonna scream to that guy that is Tra-La-La's falling out, bro. Your Tra-La-La's falling out!
You belong to me now. What's that for?
Bet.
I don't want these disgusting body parts from you.
Where was that? Oh, they're scaring your parents. Hi. I don't know what's happening.
It keeps getting me.
Wait, what's happening? I don't know. What is that? Ah! Go! What is that? I don't, who's doing that? Ah!
He's shooting it.
Get out! I know somebody's gonna be here. It's predictable. Get ready for it. Oh god, it still got me. It still freaking got me. Where's anybody, bro? Hi. How? What is happening?
So bad.
What is that? Oh my god. That looks like Kareem and Rita. Wait, it's Kareem and Rita.
It's Omar the Owl.
What? Omar the Owl. What?
Omar the Owl.
Oh no, he's still down. Ah! He's still going for it. Oh. Oh! Holy freaking frick! Ah! This is so trippy. The Tra-La-La's falling out. We freaking did it. What the Tra-La-La was that? Wait, we're back here. We're back here, guys.
That was so good, bro.
That was really good.
I flinched a few times.
Dude,
But
who was banging that drum going? They were non-existent, bro. Now we have to go.
Who cares?
Wait, we have to go back through the. Wait, you want to go left?
oh yeah, Mom, let's go left.
Yeah, we're going left. We're going left.
We love that.
Guys, we made it through the first year of death or fear or scares, whatever it's called. I think it's
Each
fear.
house, I think, represents like 1 year. And it's like bringing
Like
back a theme.
one common fear. So that one, Collector's Curse, seemed to be like just monsters or like.
Okay, and also the wellness center is the one. I think the Collector's Curse is destroying your earbuds.
Yeah. The fear of losing your hearing.
These things.
What is that? We're gonna ignore that. That's not a scare zone. That's just people dancing. All right.
All right, guys. This line doesn't look that bad for
We're in line for the
graveyard.
graveyard,
Also,
yeah.
guys, we got a map so we can navigate better.
What's the
So-
fear for the graveyard?
Okay. It's not scary. It's just like
It's supposed to be the worst one.
Yeah.
Like, it's still good.
so. The next one, we're probably gonna go up here and knock out these two. So wait, this one is wellness center, and this is Farm 51. I want to do those two. Then let's go to Widow's Nest.
All right, gotcha.
Actually, wait, no. Wait, let's go to Farm 51 because we haven't done that last year. And then Widow's Nest, then go back to Wellness Centers.
Bet. This video is peak, guys. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing because we are paying money to come to these parks to make these videos to entertain y'all. I know this is only our second video, but please consider dropping a sub. Right now we have 3
Only
subscribers.
725 only.
The first goal is 100 subs. So yeah, please subscribe. Bye.
Hi guys, are you guys ready?
We're at the graveyard. I don't know what this is gonna be about.
It's gonna be very flashy. So if you have epilepsy,
You're cooked.
get to like this time right here.
Yeah, I'll put it on the screen. Last warning.
Oh, no, hold on. Like,
Yeah, last warning. Skip to this time. What's happening? Oh. What's happening?
Get it? It's a graveyard.
Oh my God. I was looking at the gravestones. And she's gonna pop out of this one too. Watch. Just watch everything. This is so goofy. In a good way though. It's alive, guys. What's up? Okay. All that. What? Oh no, I don't like this.
Aaron Marcello?
Aaron McKellar. I don't know, bro.
Are you guys going to the party too?
Yeah, we are.
I heard it's to die for.
Yeah. It's the Mr. Beast Sigma party. It's the Mr. Beast Sigma Ava Chris Tyson party, right?
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Guys, we have to get this. Oh my God, I didn't know I moved towards you. I thought it would just move like Karimi. This is good. Jump out the arrow.
A whole molten lava is falling on your head.
Behind you? Oh no. No. Don't do it.
Oh,
Oh,
the party's starting!
cooked. Yeah, this is flashy. If you're still here and you're dying of epilepsy, I warned you. I'm sorry. What's up? That's an animatronic, bro. I can barely see, bro. I'm cooked. The camera can't see anything.
Oh my god!
Now y'all can see it. Guys, we're outside. We're safe. Trust. One of them. Yeah. Whoa. Wait, I'm vibing. I'm vibing. No, don't flash. Because somebody's gonna jump scare us. It's not gonna end up well for me. What was that? And cooked. Oh my god. It's not over? Oh my. Bye. Wow, this is cool. What? Oh no! No! Ah! Oh, hello. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we warned you. Epilepsy. Not again, not again! Ah!
Bro, you need to censor all that out. I said cousin.
It's fine, it's fine.
2 houses down!
Oh my god! 2 out of 5 beers conquered!
It hurt my eyes.
So freaking good. I think is it the Explorer's Curse? Collector's Curse.
Collectors. That was better.
Collector's Curse barely beats this.
For real, bro. Okay, so right here.
Where are we going now?
Oh yeah, guys.
I think we're going to a scare zone. Again?
Alright guys, in every scare zone from now on, I'm gonna be recording him instead.
Yeah, so I'm scare zone guy. He's haunted house guy.
Yeah, haunted house guy's better. Guys, if you guys root for haunted house guy, do hashtag haunted house guy. And then if you guys like scare zone guy, do hashtag scare zone guy.
The scare zone guy. Well, in the scare zone.
I'm actually gonna shut up. Oh no. No, it's not yet. Ah! Oh shit.
That was probably.
Oh crap. Alright guys. Orcala! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Boat over there, like Kraken or whatever that is.
Orcala assassino. Ballerina assassino leading.
Wait, is this actually scare zone?
What the fuck?
What?
Why is there so much fire? Huh?
Scare zone.
Oh no! Ah!
Or is this the scare zone?
The Orcala cappuccino ballerina. Ballerino lo. Wait. Slow folks. Alright, Sean, start. It's right there. Wait for my parents. Also, some of the production team is not here today.
Yeah.
And I told him.
Orcala
Two of
cappuccino.
them are here, but they're not recording. And then the other two.
Oh, guys, there's me someone behind here. Watch.
All right, wait. This is it. Wood Rock Hollow.
What is it? Wood Rot Hollow.
Gotcha. Oh no, the bushes. Watch the bush. Right there. I caught you right here.
Oh, Bushman.
Oh.
That's right.
Ballerino Caracino.
This guy, he's gonna be my idol this year.
Yeah, I could tell. Oh no, he vanished. Oh my god. He's right there. Right there. Oh shit. Ballerino cappuccino. Ah!
We got through it. That was easy. That was the worst scare. All right, guys. Here's the plan. We're gonna go this way
Wait at all.
to do Farm 51, which is right here,
Apparently it's just really
and then
long.
Water's Edge. This is house number 4 out of 5, even though it's our 3rd house. So yeah. Guys, we waited in this line for like 30 minutes. We're finally here.
That was like 20 minutes.
Around 20, 30 minutes, yeah. It's okay. Time to go.
We're going that way.
Just get ready for a jump scare. Oh! Why did I not expect that?
Oh my god, I can't see anything.
Oh, this is why I don't wanna.
I don't even know which way to go.
And jump scare. Oh, that's. Yeah, right. This is so weird, bro. Cooked. Wait, okay, wait. I feel safe here, but we're not safe. Oh, I don't like mazes. Hello. Ah! That guy was a setup. That worker was a setup. He distracted us. Oh, I don't like this.
That got me. That got me.
That did. What was that? And cut. Dude, this is actually so scary. Hello, if you're there, please don't jump scare me.
Oh, hi.
Yo, hi. This is already one of the best houses I've ever been in. Wow!
6'7".
Get out!
And your Ray Roddy thing.
Yeah! Oh! Might want to leave. No, not this way. I don't want to go this way. You're going far in front. Alright, go! This house is so scary. What? And guys, we might be cooked. Oh, heck no.
You better run.
I can't aim at them because I'm so scared. I was literally like this when he jump scared me. Yo.
So listen, if you guys see an alien, sacrifice the children, save yourselves.
Ah.
He forced me.
I did not, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's an alien!
We won.
Oh yeah, it's like an alarm. Yo. Hi. I'm gonna leave. Bye. What's up, alien people? Now I know what's called Farm 51. I didn't realize that's. Ah! Jesus frick! Yo, we can talk about this. We can talk about this. Oh, hi.
Hey, wait.
Yo!
Hey, alien.
Wait, are you from Mars? Where are you from? Hi. I knew it. That one didn't get me. I can't see anything.
I think all the groups have caught up with us.
Yeah, we're so slow. Because we're so scared. Yo, this is.
Oh my god. Okay, that got me. That got me.
Yo, W alien in the chat.
W alien.
Or in the comments.
W alien.
Yo! Whoa!
Wait, where are we supposed to go?
Go through here. Ah! Wait, it's this place. And now we get to go to the lounge and chill. Guys, the lounge is closed, so we can't get a drink to like reset.
So we go right here and we go this way.
Bro, that was crazy.
You guys, that was crazy.
That was my favorite so far.
Oh, the chainsaw. Bro,
This swinging guy, I literally saw him.
Bro.
And then he just came down, jump scared.
guys, W aliens in the chat, bro.
Yes, bro. That alien was a W.
What the? Start digging in your butt, twin.
And we're going to a scare zone soon.
Let's go into scare zone. Ready?
Alright, I don't know which one this is. It's gonna be scary though.
It's the RV one. We'll put sign up like right there. All right, let's see. Cappuccino ballerina. Hey! Oh, are you cooking some barbecue? You are?
Spare ribs.
What?
Human spare ribs.
I'll take it.
You'll see
Watch here.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today we're in the scare zone.
I mean, we could do Monster Stop. Come here.
Maybe after all this.
Yeah. Where'd I get our pants? Oh, right here. Mom, we could do the show. Look, it was a trailer park tragedy.
I like that.
Wait,
Trailer park.
right there.
Park tragedy, guys.
Yeah. In my opinion, it was pretty W.
That was interesting. I didn't really get jump scared.
Wait, 6'7".
Guys, we are on our way to the Widow's Peak in the scare zone there. We came across Mako and it's a 5-minute wait.
In Howl-O-Scream, it's usually like 20.
Yeah.
This is the day. Okay, this currently day we're recording is October 4th. Oh, I thought there's scared people here.
Oh, imagine. There's a Bushman. No, Mako in the dark is gonna be crazy. Bro, it's gonna be crazy.
Bro, I swear so much. Bro, you have to bleep like all that out, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Like,
You swore. You said the F word, you said the S word. But anyways, guys, this is actually like a monumental part of our YouTube career on the theme park games. It's our first ever time on the channel going on makeup. It won't be recorded though.
Guys, we're at the Widow's Nest, house 5. But it's actually the 4th house today. Guys, we are at the Widow's Peak, our haunted house. We are in the orphanage. We're gonna be orphans. Yo! Oh. Hello. Hi. What the heck was that? So many spiders, bro. Hello! We're cooked. I knew it. It's the stroller. I just want to go home. I want to go. Ah! That one actually stopped me. Oh my god. Cooked right here. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh! Ah! This is weird. Ah! Silk and bone is crazy. What is that? So many. It's the dogger. Oh my god. She leaves.
Get out of here! Go!
Yeah. Get out. We did it. That was, guys, 3 words that describe this house. Short but scary.
Oh my god, Mako, you're on that like
Okay, that's your 3 words? No, my 3 words was everything got me.
Yes, bro.
that was really good. The W house.
Alright guys, we're going to the Wellness Center. We did this last year. The link in the video in the description. It's very cringe, bro.
And it'll be in the top right here.
Yeah.
Like tag. That was the best house in my opinion so far. We'll see if Wellness Center beats it.
Me and you have like different opinions about everything. Okay, what are you doing?
All right, go ahead.
It's finally time, guys. This way, this way. Lego moves. It took like 40 minutes. Longest wait of the entire night. The final house. And then we got scare zones. The Wellness Center, Water's Edge. Spare us, please, people, please. Oh God, I don't like this. The heck? Yeah, it's water's edge. Hello? Oh my God, I knew it. Oh God, I don't like this. Epilepsy warning.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. It's karma. Welcome in the group.
You're getting a lobotomy dash? Oh, I ended the recording on accident. But we're back, we're back. Just for 1 second. Hi! What's up? No, I don't like this. I remember this. Flashbacks from last year. Go watch the video on Lego Mission's channel for the first part, 2024. Okay. I can't see. It's so annoying. Again? Paka! That's so scary. Oh God, oh God, oh God. They slam, right? Hello. This is scary, bro.
Just a bath. Nothing to be scared of.
Lobotomy dash? The biggest meme in geometry dash history? Hello?
We have kick chairs too. Step right up.
Got you.
Step right up.
What is that?
The experiment
Ah!
is complete.
Not this part. I hate this part. Oh, God. Oh, right here. Watch. I'm calling it. Yep.
The doctor!
Wait, the doctor's here.
Oh my God!
Whoa!
Oh my God, the doctor!
You're gonna be next.
It's Robert Bamford.
Robert Sanders!
And the doctor is coming up.
We all do it.
Where's the doctor? The doctor's a policeman now? Oh my God, bro. Nope. Oh. I knew it. Nope. Guys, we conquered all 5 years of fear. Ah! Now it's time to finish off the video by doing all the scare zones.
Again, probably.
Ah! And guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the bad side of Howl-O-Scream. This is the part that's very bad. Do not come to the show unless you don't want to.
You got me!
Alright, guys,
We're going to the Cannibal Harbor.
so peak. Alright, start.
Oh, yeah, Dippin' Dots.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, starting! I assume this is Cannibal.
Just wait, it's right there. It's up there. Oh, shoot. Alright, you ready? I know. Didn't target us, just watch. What's up? Oh my god, bro. This sounds good. Oh, through here. There's more. Oh, hi. Hello.
Sam and Blue. Hi, what do you have there?
Dippin' Dots.
What?
Dippin' Dots.
What the?
You see my friend over there?
Oh, yeah?
Go say hi for me.
Oh, God. Yeah, the lady over there told us to say hi. My bad.
I can't see anything.
Oh, wait. Alright, bet. Alright, Mom, can I have my Dippin' Dots back? Alright, we're back. How do you like the last one?
It wasn't as bad as last year. It was. They didn't even jump scare us.
I agree.
This year, the scare zones are like way less scary.
I agree. Okay, echoes in the glass.
The last one's like a butcher.
Kind of. Oh no. I don't like this. Alright, go ahead. No. No. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. 6, 7. 6, 7, 7. Alright. Run! It's open! It's open! Let's go!
What a crazy transition, guys.
Well, right back on.
All right, guys. So on the entrance, we went through this, but we didn't realize it was a scare zone. So we're just gonna go through it.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's clean. I know, but I like the siding. Route 67.
So you can't read, can you?
Nah, I have dyslexia.
Oh,
I have dyslexia.
oh, poor baby. Why didn't you try to mom about? Maybe you got off the internet, you'd feel better. You'd be smarter too.
No. He gave dyslexia to me. He transferred it over to me.
See, that's not how that works.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, he did, bro.
No, it's not.
Did you
Anyways.
say I transferred dyslexia
See you, dude.
He's flying once again.
Interesting. Very interesting. What's up? Oh, you go. This is Howl-O-Scream. Alright guys, we just got back to the car. And yeah. Howl-O-Scream 2025 Seaworld
It's goated.
very good. Way better than last year.
Yeah.
Makes last year look really bad.
Yeah, no, last year looking back at it was really bad.
Wait, I just got a watch notification saying that there's weird activity in this area from a clown named Pennywise.
Who?
That's weird. Pennywise. But it's okay. Pennywise isn't real. We're in the car. Wait, where'd the light source go?